Welcome back. This is Kelly from Anima. So in the last video, I showed us how to create your account and then download the plugin. In this video, what I want to do is show you guys how to make your design responsive in Adobe XD. So this has got to be the #1 request from our users, and I want to walk you guys through how to add breakpoints and how to use Adobe's responsive resize. So on my screen right now, I have my Anima project that I've been working on. It's the trainer's prototype. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by showing you guys how to create breakpoints. Okay, so what I've done is I've just pulled out a few different artboards that are the same design just for different screen sizes. So I have my desktop right over here, I have my tablet, and then I have my mobile. So what I want to do is connect these three to one single kind of breakpoint, and what I'm going to do is just select the desktop and then head over to the Anima plugin, and then under breakpoints all you need to do is click on the plus icon, and you can either drag and select all of the artboards, or you can hold down shift and select the artboards. But what you want to do is select done after that. And then we're going to go ahead and preview what the breakpoints look like in the browser. So I'm going to select the first artboard and click preview in browser. So once that's done processing, all you need to do is open up the browser preview of your design, and this will show you what you've then created with the breakpoints. So in the top panel here, you can see that we have our desktop, our tablet, and our mobile. I want to see what it'll look like responsively, so I'm just going to click on this one. And as you can see, there's tons of space here on the right and on the left as well. If I move down to see the other breakpoints, we can see that they're snapping, but we're not seeing much responsiveness in terms of fluidity of it. For example, like we want this left navigation to stick to the left, and then we want this top search panel to also stick. So let's go ahead and go back to XD, and then we'll use Adobe's responsive resize to make them fluid. So if you didn't know, Adobe's responsive resize is a native feature to Adobe. It's incredible. All you need to do is just go into the panel and then toggle it on. And what that does is it automatically applies constraints to layers on your design, which is really cool. What we're going to do then is just kind of see what settings are attached to this left panel. Resize is turned on, but if we go onto the artboard, we want to make sure that this is also turned on. So then let's go ahead and check this top nav. Looks like it's not, so let's just turn that on. And then you also want to check to make sure that elements in the design are pinned where you want them to be, because about 90% of the time Adobe will get it right, but then there will be some elements on there that you need to adjust manually. Double check that this search bar will scale, and then you can preview to see how it looks. Board and preview. So let's go ahead and see how that design looks after we've applied those constraints. Alright, so let's go into responsive. As you can see, we've changed now. The left panel sticks to the left, and the top navigation also expands to the width. And if we go down to the other breakpoints, the top navigation also expands until you get to the next breakpoint. And that is how to use Adobe's responsive resize and breakpoints. In the next video, I'll show us how to use Anima's smart layers